Hi, my name is Lance and I'm here at Cypress Auto Sales in Auburn, California. We're Northern California's largest seller of used pre-owned diesel pickups. And today I want to show you a 2006 Dodge Mega Cab with a 5.9 Cummins in it. This is a very nice vehicle. As you can see, I'll do a walk around. You can take a look at the condition of the overall appearance of this vehicle. This vehicle has a very nice set of Toyo MT tires mounted on the factory steel wheels. Nice set of chrome running boards added to the vehicle to make it easier to get in and out of that. Now what I like about these Mega Cabs is the back seat. Look how huge this back seat is. This is like your typical SUV back here. Plenty of room for friends and family to go along on those long trips and be comfortable versus normal quad cab trucks. Another nice feature about these trucks is the way these seats fold down. Look at how much storage room you have there when you fold down that seat. And behind this back seat too, you also have a nice little cargo area. Throw some jumper cables, snow chains, gloves, things like that into. Also, this truck has a very nice hard tonneau cover added to the rear to cover up your precious cargo and keep it watertight, keep it from getting rained on, things like that. This is the four-wheel drive model. It is a California rig. Got it locally here. Very well taken care of truck. Walk around here to the front, show you the interior. It's a nice standard SLT package. Has your power driver seat, has your power steering, of course, power windows, tilt, lock, cruise, all that good stuff. Has a nice factory CD player in it. Vehicle only has 51,499 presently on the odometer. Very nice, clean vehicle. For more information on this vehicle, you can go to our website at www.cypressautosales.com or give us a call, 530-886-8003.